Hello, and thanks very much for joining me on the Prokraft channel. This is just a brief introduction to tell you who Prokraft are and what we do and why we do it the way we do it and what the videos are all about, basically. Prokraft is a small business that started in 2015 by me, completely by accident. I never intended to sell wood turning kits or specialist hardware, but for one reason or another I fell into it. And at the beginning of the process, I developed a slightly different way of making bottle stoppers, turning bottle stoppers. And one of my friends said, "John, what you should really do is a video of that, because people can see much better on a video than they can read on a website or whatever." So I did it, and it's grown from there. And the purpose of this channel is to show you some of the range of kits that we have, how they go together. It will hopefully show you the parts of the kit, so you get a chance to actually see it sort of moving in real life, as it were, because we don't have a physical shop where you can come and touch and feel the kit. So a video is the next best thing. We don't use manufacturers' stock photographs. What quite often you'll see me do is show you the parts of a kit. I'll make it, I'll take a still at the end, and that is very often the photograph that you will see on the website, so you can see the process that is done, and that they are proper kits, and that they actually work, and that they're fun to make. Some are easy, some are more difficult, but hopefully the guide videos, and I have to stress I'm going to call them a guide video, they're not instructions. Instructions imply there's only one way of doing things, and that's never the case. Depends on your skill and equipment and lots of other factors. So we'll give you an idea of how it can be done, but that's not definitive. The final thing I have to say is, as with all kits, whatever I say on the videos, please, when you get a kit, whether it's from us or anyone else, always check the dimensions, because specifications change over time, and it's not always practical to go and redo a video every time a specification changes. So that's really important. Check and measure all the specs of kits when you get them. Apart from that, thanks very much for listening to me witter on for the last couple of minutes. I hope the videos are useful. The final thing I'm going to say is that I'm not going to ask you to subscribe, and neither do we do any advertising on this channel. This is about our kits, and we make our living by selling kits. That's it. I'm not advertising. That's just something I feel quite strongly about. But anyway, thanks very much for listening. I hope the videos are helpful to you. If we can help in any way, there's always links to products and the website. Drop us an email. We're happy to hear from you. And thanks very much. Bye bye for now.